This is gonna be a rough one. Get the truck warmed up, cleaned off, kind of. We're gonna see if we can get through this nasty weather. Safety first, let's get that seatbelt on, and let's get these gloves off. Alright, fingers crossed, here we go. Can't see crap. It is like a complete whiteout because of the wind. This is going to be rough. Besides the squeaky belt, so far so good. But they didn't even touch, the plows didn't even touch anything here. I mean, you're talking about 7 inches in the road here. Ridiculous. So, yeah. Some branches down. There's like 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts today. More branches down. So this is super sketchy. Keep these wipers on. Frequently as possible. Can't even see the end of the road from here. It's like ridiculous. This is why I bought a truck. There is no way, even with chains, that I was going anywhere in my car. Dangerous about this is it is very hard to see where the road actually is. Come on, belt. Come on. I do have new belts in this this truck. I'm kind of thinking that something's wrong with the pulley, or they have to be tensioned again. By the way, there are big drop-offs, so if I go off the road here, four-wheel drive's not going to help. Truck sideways up against a tree. So again, just staying on the road here is difficult. Or what I think is the road anyway. Crack my window a little. This is definitely the worst I've ever had to drive in. And by the way, you should stay off the roads when it's like this, but I have to drive. I'm going to pick up my wife, who can't get home. So that's why I'm out here doing this, otherwise I wouldn't even bother. The wipers, is the plow stuck. Oh, he's stuck. Oh man. Alright, well, I guess I'm going a different way. He's blocking my road here. mission's pretty important, so hopefully we'll get there and back. Let's see. Okay, this road's definitely not done. So I'm behind this guy. He's not plowing. He's not throwing salt. I don't know what he's doing. He's getting in the way. Steep hill here, so hopefully we can make this turn here. I don't know why I have my blinkers on. Ain't nobody around but me. A couple plows. Oh yeah. Chevy power and some Chinese tires. But at least they're somewhat new, so they have some traction to them. You can have all the power in the world, but if you're driving on bald tires, it ain't gonna help anything. But I have to say, this is a good endorsement for Ling Long tires. Ling Long tires, they last long. And they work okay in the snow. They're getting me where I need to go. So I'm gonna cut film here because the drive's gonna be a little bit more boring now, but also I probably chopped it up a little bit as well just to show. What the hell is that? My phone. Emergency alert. Yeah, there's an emergency. If I look at my phone, I'm gonna hit that damn light. I'll look at that later. I'm assuming it's a weather advisory. I thought it was coming from the truck. I'm like, the radio isn't working this. Where's that coming from? But obviously, it's not a good time to be out and about. Thank you very much, Chevy. Getting it done. Awesome. All right. So anyway, I will see you guys a little bit later, I guess. Or maybe this is the end of the video. If I upload this, you know I got home fine. Holy crap, look at this truck. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they did not do well. What I can tell you happened is there was a huge drop off there, and because of all the snow, they didn't see it. and they dropped, and looks like maybe they got picked up already. It's some nasty stuff. So I'll leave you with that. I'm going to pay attention to driving, which is very important, and I will see you guys soon. Hope you have a great day. I hope everyone who watches this, all your family and friends, are safe. And yeah, it's March, but winter is not over. See you guys soon.